I show you how to fix Fortnite out of video memory error crashing Epic Games. Before we begin, just support me in item shop, just use my code UFO187 in item shop. All you need to do, just close your Fortnite if you're in game like me, and open Epic Games like me, move here to library, find Fortnite game like me, go on these 3 vertical dots, click on it, move here manage, enable here launch options, click on it, and type this like me. And click here verify files. And you will see this, just click here and wait for finishing this. After finishing verify, just try now to open Fortnite like me, close this, and click here launch. And that's all guys for this video. How to fix Fortnite out of video memory error crashing Epic Games. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.